RECARO Young Profi Plus. Only the correctly installed child safety seat offers optimum protection for the little passenger. The mounting of RECARO Young Profi Plus with a 3-point safety belt is very simple. Close the belt lock with an audible clicking sound. The belts must be tightened. Close the safety belt lock with an audible clicking sound. Make sure that the shoulder belt is in the belt guide. Attention! The bracket has to be in an upright position during transport in the vehicle. Now the Young Profi Plus is correctly installed.